This video is going to serve as a follow-up to the last video that I made, where I shared my Tesro CD-ROM drive with my Octane2. In that video I was unable to install the Octane demos as my machine is fitted with the Odyssey V12 and the demos require the older MGRAS graphics hardware. I have the network file system set up which I created in the last video, so the Octane demo CD appears in the Tesro folder on my desktop. So I'm going to start a console and I'm going to CD into this directory. Okay, now I'm going to type in the following command. Okay, so what I've typed in is inst space -m space gfx board in capital letters equals mgras in capital letters space -f space dot, and I'm going to hit enter. This brings me to the inst menu and I'm going to select 1 and then I'm going to select 2 and there it reads the product descriptions. Okay, and then I'm going to hit the go command. And there it starts to install the demos. Okay, I'm going to hit quit. Okay, and then I'm going to log out. Log back in as root. And the Octane demos folder now appears in the icon catalog. Thanks for watching.